that like sage or something? This is Moonlight Basin. This is kind of the end of the, access. Obviously in the winter, this is where you would get access to, I think, to go skiing. Walk up here. See all the, I think this is lodgepole pine. Most of this is called lodgepole. It's very common, like 90% of the trees in this area of Montana. I see, okay, so what's over here? Pretty over here. I'll probably just bring my zoom lens, see what I can see. Like a lot of this has, access in the winter. You just exit your cabin with your skis. Come on down. Alpine Meadows, that's the access where we are. It's a big bridge. Look, it's going right down to the, the ski lifts. What is that about? Do not know. What do you think, Jack? Zoe? I think it's probably just some kids. Pretty cool. Looks like there's a little pathway down here. A lot of this down here, this purple, is lupin, and You know, we have lupin, and it's a spring ephemeral for us. It's like they have some type of long blooming or, you know, multi-seeding lupin. I see it everywhere. Oh, we got some, I saw some shad bush, and look at all the logs that came down here. It's really cool how dense this is, you know. Think about it. This is such dense forest. Looks like okay, that's probably going down towards some of the places down there. All right, back up here. Nice sounds of nature. That's because we're in Big Sky. It's not a commercial. All that white down there is yarrow, and I can tell. And the lupin actually smells really good. And I don't know what that grass, if that's Indian grass, how cool would that be? I don't know. It's a bluegrass, kind of a bluish color. Is this a slope? No way this is a slope. No, this is way too wild. There's bumps and stuff everywhere. I don't know why they cleared this out. Oopsie. Elkhorn loop, huh? This one looks like it goes up here. Is this a bike loop? I better not be coming down. We're gonna stop soon. Yeah, look at this, huh? A lot of downlands. Most likely fire, though I don't see a lot of fire. You know, damage. Usually you'll see some of the ones that were downed are still standing, kind of black and right, charred up. Not seeing that. But this is a fire area, right? It's a big fire area. And when the fires happen, everything that gets knocked out, right? You get this flush of sunlight that hits the forest floor, and the fire actually causes these cones to pop and shoot out a bunch of seedlings, and you get all these seedlings of the same age. So I think we're going to see that up here. These are all large pole pines, and all very similar height, right? Age and height. Some other stuff in here. Something called an Engelmann spruce is a common one. Let's see if we can look out here. Oh wow, yeah. Let's see. We're right at the base of a. Oh my God, there's a dog. Oh, it's people. Right at the base of chairlifts here. But you know, they also probably keep this stuff obviously cleaned up. Wonder how deep the snow is getting, right? In the dead of winter. Really cool here. We're almost at 5 minutes. Stop this one in a second. I feel like I can hear running water. I don't know. I'm here, and in my opinion, I wonder why people would ever come here in the winter. I get skiing and everything, but I don't know. This is just, sorry, it's just too beautiful. Look at the trees up there. Definitely fire damage. You can hear that bug. I don't know what the hell that thing is. It's this big bug, dude. It's down here. I've seen this thing. It's a big beetle flapping its wings. I thought it was a grasshopper, and I hear them all over the place. It's a loud click click sound.